Hello everyone, how's it going? In this video, we will be doing an unboxing of a microphone called a Sfera. So without wasting further time, let's get straight into the unboxing. So let's take a look at the box first. And we have got a microphone picture on the front. On the right, we have different color options to choose from, including a red, a white, black, and chrome. On the back, we have got some features and product specifications. And we have also got some system requirements printed down below. Alright, so let's go ahead and open the box. It's a great microphone for streaming, YouTube, and video recording. So let's talk about some features real quick. It's a condenser type microphone, and it's also got a 3.5mm audio jack for use with headphones. And we have got another box inside of the black one, and let's go ahead and open this. So here we can see the contents of the box. We have the microphone and a microphone stand. So let's go ahead and pull the microphone out, and on the first impression I can tell that it feels great. Let us put the microphone aside and let's see what else do we have. We have also got a USB cable which we can use to connect the microphone to the computer. And it's a pretty long cable, and I think it's around 1 to 1.5 meters. So let's see what else do we have. We have also got a microphone stand which is used to put on the microphone, and I can tell that it's got a decent amount of weight. We'll go ahead and remove the plastic from the microphone stand. We can see that the stand has a nice sort of a textured rubberized base which helps the stand to stick to the surface. Alright, so that's it, and now let's go ahead and put the microphone on the stand. We are gonna take it out of the plastic cover and put on the stand and give it a nice couple of spins until it fits tightly. So now that's fit in the place, and now we are gonna go ahead and inspect the microphone. The microphone has a nice shiny silver pattern on the front, and on the back we have the volume scroll which we can use to turn the volume up and down while we listen to our audio recordings. We have also got a 3.5mm audio jack which helps us to listen to our audio recordings. We have also got a button on the back to enable or disable the recording feature. Alright, so that's all from the unboxing, and we will do a detailed review in the next video.